thanks for joining me on another Mitch Australia video. Today we'll be going through the Olight Obulb MC Christmas pack. So, this is the box it comes in. Big square box here. Spin around to the side, it says Olight Christmas pack. Go around to this side, you can also see it says Olight Christmas pack on the back here. You can see down here, it's got the package contents. 2 Obulb MCs, an Obuddy, a Santa cover, and 2 USB magnetic charging cables, 2 adhesive metal badges, and a user manual. So that's what we should find inside here. So let's crack straight into this one and see what it's all about. Alright, so I've got the box open here. Let's get into it. So put that to the side. And when you open it, you get a red Obulb MC, a green Obulb MC. You get an Obuddy in the bottom left, and you get this Santa topper. So we'll get into this box, which has some of the accessories. So, you get these adhesive metal badges. They're great. I stick these around so I can just quickly and easily put the Obulb straight onto here. I already know a spot that I'll be using this. So I'll probably stick it on right after I finish uploading this video. It's just got the 3M adhesive back and Olight Illuminate Your World on the front. You get 2 of those because you got 2 Obulbs. You get the instruction manual. So, you get the little Christmas pack instruction manual. Let's open it up. So as you can see, it shows you a bit about the Obulb product, a bit about the magnetic adhesive metal badges, a bit about the Obuddy and the topper. Well, no need to read these because I'll be taking you through all of that in this video, so we'll put that to the side as well. You get 2 magnetic chargers, which Olight is known for. They go straight onto the bottom of the Obulbs. I'll show you that in a moment. And a nice touch that Olight does is they give you these little googly eyes which you can stick onto the Obulbs. I always keep these, never know if I'll use them, but right now I don't really plan on using them, so I'll put them to the side as well. You've also got the Merry Christmas and warning label on the back there for first use. So, Merry Christmas with the Obulb MC pack. We hope it will bring more colour and fun to you and your family during this special time of year. Olight team. Neat, like that little addition. So, we'll get straight into the box, pull out the Obuddy here. So you may have seen on my channel, I've spoken about the Obuddy before. It's just a little magnetic top here. Stick the Obulb in. I've actually got a charged up Obulb here, so we'll stick that in. And as you can see, stick it in the top. This is a red one. And it's got the charging on the back. So you just hook on one of these magnetic chargers right on the back. Boom. Charging, you can have it on all night long as a night light. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And it's about a palm size. To give you an idea of its size. If you have a couple of Obulbs, this is kind of what they look next to each other. Just for size reference. So in the kit, you also get this Santa topper. So I've got it on the red mode here. I believe it just slides on top, just like so. And here you go. You got yourself a little nice little Christmas decoration you can have around to get into the Christmas spirit this time of year. So let's cycle through some of the colours. Now this is the slow rotation. It'll go through all the various colours. Now it's going through the colours quickly. Now we're going for the red hazard warning light mode. This is what it looks like with the low white light. The high white light mode, I reckon this is the best because it really lights up down here and under the beard pretty well. So yeah, that's neat. And then you also get these two Obulbs. Unfortunately, when you get them, they do need to be charged up. So with the two leads included, you just grab that magnetic charger straight on the bottom, as you can see right there. This into the USB port, and it'll start charging. It's a 1 amp MCC charging cable. So if you've got any other Olights, you would have seen that type of connector before. But yeah, really neat little Christmas pack. Good way to get you into the Christmas spirit. And if you're still needing that last minute Christmas gift, you can rush out and grab some of these. You know, Obulbs have many great uses apart from being a nice little Christmas decoration. They're great for camping trips, great for those emergency blackout moments. And yeah, you know, if you've got a imaginative mind, you'll come up with 1,000 uses for these things. And don't forget, you got the magnets on the bottom, so you can get creative with those. Well, if you stuck around to the end here and you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to subscribe, as I'll be bringing you more videos soon, and give this a thumbs up. Cheers, guys.